when we've had to go through any kind of data discovery process for either a legal or a compliance type purpose, this was always a very manual and labor intensive process that would take multiple full-time employees a very long period of time. So if we were to get a legal search of queries that we needed to go execute, we needed to manually write out all those queries against all those different data sets, which would include things like going against all the file systems, going against all the servers, going against email, SharePoint, or any other one of a diverse range of locations that might contain that kind of data. And so we'd have to manually write out each one of these pieces of information against all these different data sets, wait for the processes to complete, sometimes running those multiple times if I had multiple queries that needed to be executed, and then manually assemble all that data back into a single pane to be able to deliver as a deliverable. And the last time that we did that, it was probably 40 to 80 man hours of effort, taking about 1 to 2 weeks of time in letting those searches execute, assembling, and passing all that data go over. And that process is too long, too inefficient, and too expensive. So moving forward, how we do that same process in Rubrik with Sonar is we already have a place where all that data exists, and that exists in our backup platform today. And so instead of going out to all these different platforms and executing all these queries, we just look at it a little bit different. So we could go in and take a set of queries, a set of commands, be it one of the predefined governance type pieces, or we could handwrite our own information. And we just simply say what we want to find, what data sets we want to look across for that data, and then just simply let the platform do all the work of crawling through and enumerating and sticking all that together. And that is something that is much, much faster and can take the process from many, many hours down to 10 minutes in executing the query into the Sonar platform and then waiting for the time for it to return the results. Oftentimes many, many times faster than what we're going to get otherwise. And then we just simply need to take a little bit of time to scrub through that data and make sure that we did in fact get what we were looking for out of it.